Hi guys, in our previous video we actually did an unboxing of this Sony ZV-1. Now the Sony ZV-1 comes in two colors, white and black. Now the white looks really nice, I'm not gonna lie, but in the end I chose black. In this video, I'm going to share with you guys 5 reasons why I chose to stick with the black rather than go with the white. Before I continue, if you guys want more video covering the Sony ZV-1, do hit the subscribe button down below. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Grip material. Now if you can look closely at the Sony ZV-1, there's the grip on the left hand side. The grip on the white version is of a different material and said to be slightly smoother than the one that is on the black version. If you can also look from the back, there's also this grip on the side, which is more rubbery on the black one and more smooth on the white one.
And you'll see it looks a little bit perforated, but it actually feels quite smooth and there's not that much texture to it, as opposed to the black version.
As a content creator and photographer, I'll definitely prefer the grip that is on the black one, as I'm able to hold the camera better and to be able to compose and create content. Now, one of the issues which I had with my RX100 was that it did not come with any grip. I had to buy this grip externally to be able to have a proper hold on the camera, and this is one thing that you definitely have to consider. Number 2. Color coverage. Now if you can see closely at my Sony ZV-1 over here, everything looks black and nice. Now on the white one, not every portion of the camera is covered in white. Once you flip it outwards, you can see a significant border on the flippable screen. I understand that this is not a deal breaker for most of you guys that are out there, but for me, the incomplete white color irks me. What can I say? Talking about this leads me to number 3, the accessories. Most of the accessories that I have comes in black, such as this Ulanzi tripod and this Manfrotto Pixie Mini. I do know that there are actually 1 or 2 white versions, but it's actually just a few among the many. So it can really be quite challenging getting the correct accessories with the correct colors for the color of the camera. Number 4, potential defects. Now there's a YouTuber called Alexa and she owns both the white and the black. Alexa mentions that her lens shutter had issues closing, which is a cause for concern. Not to mention, the silvery look on the white version looks a little bit cheaper compared with the black one. Number 5, possible yellow stains. Now here I have is my air conditioned remote control. It was actually very white at the start, but look at the color now, it's actually closer to yellow. Just to compare, I actually bought this Ulanzi wide angle lens for my Sony ZV-1, and you can look closely, the colors of the white is so much more different. So this staining is definitely possible to happen if I plan to go with the white version for the Sony ZV-1. For the black, it definitely won't happen as it's literally black. It will definitely handle stains and knocks or any defects on the outside material of the camera much better. Besides these 5 points, I actually did a survey among my female friends and most of them will definitely prefer the white over the black. So in the end, it might just be a preference of the aesthetic of the color of the camera that you want. If you can look beyond the potential defects and color differences, the cameras are literally both the same. If you have enjoyed this video, do give me a thumbs up and subscribe down below. I'll be coming with more content for the Sony ZV-1, so do hit the bell notification over here so they'll be updated of my latest upload. In my next video, I'll be covering an overheating test to be able to see how far this Sony ZV-1 can go. Because on my RX105, it can only survive up to 3 to 4 minutes of 4K recording. So if you're interested, do stick around. If not, I'll see you guys in the next video.